When they come here, we teach them, first of all, professionalism. We teach them how to draw blood, how to give injections, EKGs, vital signs, blood pressure, how to sterilize equipment. It's very important because without us, the doctor wouldn't have a lot of important information. Hands-on learning is very important because our students tend to learn better when they're actually doing the skill.
When you are explaining different skills to the students, their eyes light up and you do that demonstration and they're all surrounded around you and they're like, well, how did you do that? Can you show me again? And then they're excited, they're jumping in there. Let's do it again and again and again until you get it. They get a feel of how to interact and they get over that nervousness. How exciting.
If anyone is on the fence about coming to school, I say just sign up and do it. Just do it because I put my all into it, so I just say sign up.
We spend a lot of time with our students. We truly care about our students that walk through our door, and we want them to be successful. And we tell them that. We tell them we'll do our part, and you have to do your part. It's like 50-50, and we have to meet together so that you can have a successful career.